Dre got a W. No, I got a W too, but Dre got a W. Alright.
Niggas looking up to me, fucking midgets. Sauce on my clothes, sauce on my hoe, sauce on my toes, sauce overload.
Hey, there's two girls, bro. We're coming. We're coming. You gotta take a W, no good. W is scary in here, bro. This dude Dre over there. This dude Dre over here looking. This dude not about to go do nothing. Hey, let's get it, bro. I'm going. I don't give a hell. This dude here. Yeah. Fam, bro. W or L, what's it gonna be? W or L? W or L, what's it gonna be, bro? W. Alright. Nah, for real. Gotta go.
La salida es más
Go. Hey. All right, go. Wave again, you already know, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Central River. The water depth is 8.5 feet deep.
I'm legit. I don't think you want no action.
Bro, I'm not getting the other one, fam. No, bro. Alright, go.
Por favor, manténganse lejos de la cosa de la cuerda de seguridad en la parte más alta de la prisión. Cualquier pistón con armas interiores deben permanecer sentados y abstenerse de juegos.
No.
Las escuelas serán atendidas por 5 minutos.
He ain't making his move on me. No. Kyrie, no.
Hey, switch to the AP. And back on camera.
I can't swear.
I'm legit. I don't think you want no action.
Go.
Alright, it's a W. I'm finna take one real quick.
W's, bro.
I already know.
W. Hey, Hurricane Harbor, let's go. Yeah, we're all. Hey. Bro, we lost them. Where'd they go? I want to find them, man. Dre, where'd they go?
Huh?
Where'd they go?
Alright.
Oh my God.
Where's Delirious anyway? Oh, Kyrie, the camera bleed. already know. Woo.
Oh, I'm still recording. Dre got a W. No, I got a W too, but Dre got a W. Am I recording? W. I better ride this third ride. It's a W right here, fam.
I was tryna beat a case, but I ain't beat that case.